All right, today I'm going to show you how to pick out the lobster meat out of a lobster in under just a minute today. All right, so the first thing you do is take the lobster claw off. This claw was full of water, so I had to empty it out, break it in half. This is a hard shell. It's a little bit harder to break in half, so if you have issues, use a nutcracker. And then with your knuckles, break those in half. Same thing, if you have a tough time, you want to use the nutcracker. Push your finger through to get the meat out. You can also break them in half like a savage, like I do here, to get the meat out. And there's also picking tools or a fork you can use to get it out. With the tail, break it off. There was some water in there. Break the fins off. Push your finger through to get it out of the shell. Pull the top part off. Sometimes there's a strip right here. Take that strip off if there's one in there. I got lucky in this one. There was no strip. Put it in your butter. Go and get the other claw going. All right, the legs are really good. There's a little bit of meat in there, not a lot, but I like to eat every part of the lobster that I can, so take the meat out of the legs if you want. You just break them in half and suck it out.